Okay guys, we're going to try a quick test. I'm just kind of walking around the yard. It's been kind of windy. Oops, just stepped in some fire ants. I'm testing the microphone, which is I believe my ATR 2434, whatever. It's the stereo shotgun mic that I've got for the top of the camera. And I've turned it around to face me and set the audio level at 12 on the Magic Lantern software. And mind you, just random stuff that I'm shooting. All I'm really trying to do here is just compare how it works with the auto gain control turned off and with it back on. I bet we're going to get some wind noise because it's blowing right now. Anyway, let's see how that works. Alright, still walking around in the backyard. This is that same set of circumstances. Of course, the wind's picked up a little bit. That's going to be a problem. This is without the Magic Lantern software in the camera. So we'll see how this sounds. I got a feel... Oh, great. Boom, boom, boom. I bet that really had hit the microphone at 100 miles an hour. But like I said, just walking around the yard. That bird that was chirping a while ago is gone. But there's one of the dogs. And I'm not sure what else to point out, except that I love that Magic Lantern software, and I think everybody else that tries it's going to like it. Anyway, that's enough for this test for right now.